Good evening. I'm here at my desk. So currently at this time, I am using Wiley CPA as my study material in addition to the Ultimate CPA Guide. So the reason why I enrolled in the Ultimate CPA Guide is because I was getting a lot of different information from a lot of different places, but because I was getting it from so many places, it didn't make a lot of sense. So when I enrolled in the Ultimate CPA Guide, everything was kind of together in one place and it all made sense. Not only that, it gave me a purpose and it helped me to focus on why I wanted to be a CPA. I wanted to be a CPA since I was 16 years old, but I didn't quite understand why. And so in getting into the Ultimate CPA Guide community, it helped me to shape my focus as to why I wanted to be a CPA. I want to help people. I love math. And then from that, I have two kids, one of which is in college. So I really want to show him particularly that there's nothing that can stop you. Nothing can stop you but you. And so that's mainly why I enrolled in the Ultimate CPA Guide, so that I could have a focus as to why I wanted to be a CPA, and learn some tips and tricks on how to get through the exam. Right now, being in the trenches, it's nice to be in a community and be with other people who are going through the same things I'm going through, knowing that the struggle is real. So I would definitely recommend Ultimate CPA Guide. Based on the fact I love the study loops. Study loops have helped me tremendously. By the time I had fully implemented the study loops and the guide was when I started studying BEC. And the first time I took it, I think I made a 47. And then after I had implemented the loops, I think I had made like a 61. So I had increased it by at least a good, 12, 15 points. So I was so excited. I didn't pass, but I was like, okay, using these study loops, it has really helped me to maintain a lot more information. And then it helped me to kind of look and see how to look at the metrics that the state boards use and what I'm weak in and how to how to focus my studies. So I'm very grateful for that. In fact, before the Ultimate CPA Guide, I knew nothing of the AI CPA blueprints, nothing. So I was just like, so I was doing a bunch of studying, but I didn't have a way of knowing what to target in my studies. So I'm very grateful for that. I would definitely recommend I would definitely recommend the Ultimate CPA Guide because of the fact that, gosh, it just helped so much for a lot of things just to make sense that didn't make sense before, and it taught me how to have the motivation to continue to go on, even when there were days like, oh, okay, you know what, forget it, I'm not going to study. But then I'm like, you know what, yeah, I got to study. I've got two amazing children who are watching me, and I got to mama's got to make them proud. And then too, with the Ultimate CPA Guide, it just taught me how that I can focus my studies. I mean, because I'm a huge football fan and it's the playoffs and there's no way I want to miss a game because I have to study. So it's taught me to set reasonable goals so that way I can get my studies in, do productive, concrete studying that makes sense and it's targeting what's in the blueprints, and then still be able to get that time in and then stop and then watch a football game. Because that way I can just ease my mind so I'm not like flipping out about what needs to be done. So I would definitely recommend the Ultimate Exam Guide to anybody who's thinking about becoming a CPA and just getting in the trenches with it, because it can be done, because I will be a CPA in 2020. Thank you very much.